enemy that is able to spawn other smaller enemies around him. He is working right now, for the most part. Like, I updated his AI, made a whole different script for him as well. We're gonna go over that though. But Necro AI, he's basically using the exact same AI script we have for the game already. Again, just a little different. So right now, the only things that I added to him was another game object for the enemy he's gonna spawn. And then if we come down in here, I know this isn't ideal. This I have to change. But under the attack, I add a new vector 3 for the spawn radius. And I have it randomized between these. So between basically 0 to 5 as how far they could spawn. Between 0 meters and 5 meters from where the Necromancer is. Not ideal again. I'm not a professional in any way, just like Amazing B-Hop was saying. But I have it here instantiating 4 different guys with the spawn radius. The only issue I have right now with these guys, let me see. So spawn radius, I could actually remove this because this is what I had it at before. Save that. That's our script. We come back into here, let that reload. So you'll see right now, as far as enemies go, I just have them spawning the goblin. Nothing too complex. Same animation controller. And then you'll see now, if I run, split this in half again. If I run the game, the only issue I'm having with him right now, he's spawning enemies in the same location no matter where he's at. So I gotta fix something with that. So right now you'll see he's coming. As soon as he gets a little closer, boom, enemies right in front of me, right? Group of goblins all spawn. But then no matter where he is, those enemies are gonna spawn in the same area. You'll see another group, another group. I'm gonna move him over here. Another group, same area, so that's another fix that I have to do. But for right now, our Necromancer is kind of working. He doesn't have any animations.